Enabling SupportAssist on the PowerVault Manager. To begin enabling SupportAssist, log into your ME Storage Manager. Log in using your username and password, the default username being manage and default password being !manage, and click on sign in. Once logged in successfully, select the Action button on the Home tab and then select System Settings. This will navigate you to the System Settings page where you can select the SupportAssist tab at the bottom left. Once selected, you can now activate SupportAssist by checking the box at the top. Once selected, you'll be given this prompt to read through. This is the terms and conditions to use the SupportAssist tool. Once you've read through it properly, select the Accept button. To fully enable SupportAssist, you will have to enter some contact information. Enter the information into the fields below, and once finished, select Apply. The state should change to running and operation mode should be normal. If this isn't the case, make sure if your server is running any proxy settings that you enter them here. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out the links at the end of this video for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.